Hello everyone. First we look at the question. This question is about units of k. So first of all, you look at the equation. Every unit come from the equation. Maybe you can copy it down. And then you think about each term of the equation. Any other equation for it? Oh yeah, Newton's second law, F equals ma. And then after all this investigation, you write down the unit that is in the equation. Mass is kilogram, acceleration is meter per second square, and the units of k you can draw a square bracket on it, and then velocity's unit is meter per second. Next step is cancellation. Beta and beta cancel out. Second minus 1 cancel out 1. So you can see the units of k is meter per second. So that's the solution. The solution is D.